Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to start your own business from home, earn your own money, and build something meaningful with your skills, then this video is for you. Today I am sharing 10 highly profitable handmade business ideas that you can easily start from home, even if you have very little budget. And trust me, my last idea is my most favorite one because it generates really good profits and long term income. So make sure you watch till the end. Also, if you love business, creativity, and financial freedom content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Now let's start. First business idea: scented candles and wax melts. This is one of the most profitable handmade business worldwide. People buy candles for home decor, gifts, stress relief, weddings, events, and self care. You can start this business with under $50 to $100. Basic materials you'll need: soy wax, paraffin wax, fragrance oils, wicks, glass jars, and thermometer. So if one candle costs you $2 to make, you can sell it for $8 to $15. That's 300 to 500 profit. And the best part, you can make candles at home. If you want to see my step-by-step candle making process, click the link in the top right corner or check the description. I have explained everything in detail there. Second idea: handmade soaps and skincare. Nowadays, people prefer organic, chemical free, and natural products. You can make soaps, lip balms, face masks, body scrubs, and hair oils. So, startup cost would be $70 to $150, and one soap bar costs you around 80 cents to make, and you can sell it for $4. That's 5x profit. If you focus on quality and packaging, customers will come again and again. So repeat customers is equals to stable income. Third idea: wall art and calligraphy. You can create Islamic quotes, motivation frames, custom names, digital prints. You can sell both physical plus digital. Digital is equals to no cost and pure profits. So post your work on YouTube Shorts, Reels to grow faster. Oh, and before we move forward, I want to share something really special with you all. Recently, I received this amazing PR package from The Vincify, and honestly, I'm in love with it. Look at this packaging, look at these colors, and these beautiful painting kits. They have sent me some of their customized painting sets, and the quality is just next level. The colors are vibrant, the brushes are smooth, and everything feels so premium. What I really love about the Vincified is that you don't need to be an artist to create something beautiful. They use AI based designs, ready made templates, and customizable artwork options. You can choose from thousands of designs and even upload your own picture and turn it into a painting kit. So basically, you design your own art. They prepare it for you and you just enjoy painting. Isn't that amazing? Now, here's the business part. You can create your customized paintings, add your creativity, frame them beautifully, and then sell them on platforms like Etsy and eBay. Personalized art sells really well. People love custom names, custom quotes, couple portraits, family portraits, and motivational art. And this is perfect way to start. Even you are not interested in starting business, this is still such a beautiful creative activity. You can paint for stress relief, self-care, gifts, home decor, and personal happiness. Honestly, I'm really enjoying this. It feels relaxing, creative, and so satisfying. So yes, I definitely recommend the Vincified. They have best quality colors, amazing painting kits, easy customization, AI designs, and professional results. Thank you so much, The Vincified, for sending me this beautiful package. I truly appreciate it. I hope many of you will try it because I personally loved it, and I'm sure you will love too. I'll leave their link in the description box, so definitely check it out. Fourth idea, resin art. You can make keychains, bookmarks, trays, coasters, and phone grips. Resin products look premium. People think this is expensive, so you can charge more. A coaster set costing $5 can sell for $25. That's high margin business. Fifth idea, crochet and knitted items. You can make scarves, baby shoes, flowers, bags, and tops. Handmade crochet is very popular abroad. One bag takes 4 to 5 hours to make. It costs $3 and its selling price can be $25 plus. This is perfect if you love crafting. Sixth idea, handmade journals and planners. You can make study planners, gratitude journals, goal books, and budget planners. Students and professionals love this. So, you can make it for $2 and can sell it for $12. Plus, you can sell digital versions later. Double income. Seventh idea, fabric crafts. You can make scrunchies, headbands, tote bags, and makeup pouches. This business is perfect for beginners. Low investment and high demand. Bulk orders from schools and shops bring big money. Eighth idea, customized jewelry. This includes name necklaces, initial bracelets, birthstone rings, and couple jewelry. People love personalized gifts. So, a bracelet costs you $1.50 to make, and you can sell it for $10. Profit $8.50 per piece. You can sell these on social media, local markets, and Etsy. Ninth idea, gift hampers. You can combine candles, chocolates, notes, flowers, and mini gifts. Perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, and even as a gift. To make these can cost $10, but you can sell them for $30. Profit would be $20 per box. Very powerful business. Now my favorite idea, mini home decor items. You can make clay pots, mirrors, photo frames, trays, and table decors. Home decor market is worth billions globally. People love aesthetic homes, so you can make a frame for $3 and can sell it for $18. These products sell every month, no season dependency. This is why I love this business. Now let me tell you something very important. No matter what business you choose, your branding decides your success. And honestly, you don't need to be a designer. I personally recommend design.com. You just type your brand name and boom, you get thousands of logo and design ideas. No skills needed, no stress. It helps you look professional from day one. And if you want your own website, use a .store domain. When customers see .store, they instantly feel, oh, this is a shopping website. Let's buy. It builds trust. All links are in the description. Definitely check them out. Now, how do you sell? Simple. Step 1. Build social media. Post daily on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Step 2. Shoot behind the scenes. People love watching the process. Step 3. Take pre-orders. No loss, no waste. Step 4. Focus on packaging. Good packaging is equals to more value. Step 5. Customer feedback. Share reviews. So when trust grows, sales grow. Let's be realistic. If you sell just 5 products daily for $10 each, you can make $50 per day, which will be $1,500 per month. So if you sell 10 products daily, it would be $3,000 per month. With consistency, you can easily reach $5,000 per month from home. So why not give it a try? So these were my 10 profitable handmade business ideas. If you found this video helpful, please like it. It really supports my channel. Subscribe for more business and income content. And follow me on Instagram for daily motivation. Comment below which business you will start first. If you want a full step-by-step guide for any idea, tell me in the comments. I'll make a detailed video for you. Thank you for watching. Stay creative, stay consistent, and keep building your dreams. See you in the next video. Bye.